Welcome back to Weiss Guy Garage. I'm Tyler Weiss, and today I'm turning this old bed frame into a roof rack. For the next step was to find 4 pieces of steel to mount this rack to the roof. These old patio chairs had some spring steel that I thought would be perfect for this job. The next step was to figure out where I wanted all 4 mounts and prep for welding. Next, I decided to remove the headliner and just most of the interior of the vehicle since we wouldn't be needing it anymore. Now that the headliner was out of the way, it was time to add some mounting brackets to the roof. Originally, I thought I may need to add a few more braces on the roof rack, but it was actually a lot sturdier than I thought. Next, I removed the passenger seat from the car too. Well, you'll see. Thanks for sticking around till the end of the video. If you want to hit that like button, it really helps me out. And if you want to subscribe to see the end of this project, you will not be disappointed. No promises, but I guarantee that.